Inside, carpenters are finishing the restoration of the staircase we saved. They put in all new spindles and sanded down the banister. Restoring it has definitely been an extra expense, but it'll be worth it to have such a showstopper right when the buyers walk in. All of our gorgeous crystal chandeliers are in, so now we are ready to wrap this puppy up. So today is exciting because after much to do.
Oh my gosh, the to-do, you don't even know how much to do.
We're bringing furniture into Meridian.
Yay!
We're doing a mix of antique-inspired pieces with more contemporary furniture. We want to make sure we honor the home's historic bones, but also show buyers that they can live in it today.
I think it strikes the right balance between elegance and comfort.
Yes.
It's comfortable elegance. That's the worst.
Wildly creative.
That's the worst. What can I get for you, little lady?
Oh, ice cream. I'm tired.
Well, it's usually my job to pretend to be lazy. So if Mina's gonna sit for a minute, I actually support that.
It's a lot of house, it's a lot of furniture, and I'm a lot of pregnant, okay, people? And apparently, thanks to Mom, we're just telling everyone now.
Coup de grace. Plant.
The house is beautiful, it's staged, and now we're ready to show it to our potential buyer. I raise you 4.
And 52 pickup. I think I lost that round.
Tell us again, like, what exactly you're looking for. What are the boxes we need to be checking? Today, we're walking Mandy through the house, who is in the market.
Not too big, but at the same time, being able to have, you know, friends and family over without feeling like we're sitting on top of each other. Exactly.
She works really close to downtown, so I think location will be good for her. And we'll see what she has to say about the house.
Yeah.
I'm excited for you to see the inside, but
Really excited.
what do you think of the outside?
Wow. I love it. Look at that. It's bigger than I expected, but you know, for 3 bedrooms, I was thinking, but wow. I mean, I love the colors. I love the door.Ok at that.
We got them from this antique place
I
up
love
north.
that.
They weigh like 600 pounds.
Oh my goodness.
You want to take her inside?
Let's do it. Let's take a look. Oh my word. Wow. Oh my goodness, this is fantastic. I love this. I love how it's laid out, the space. This is phenomenal.
So when we got this property, it was split, I think, in like 3 apartments. And now we've opened it all up. Your living room flows into the dining room, which flows into the kitchen. So now it's one unified space.
Is this a good way for you to live?
It is, yeah. I love to entertain. I love to have just kind of a free-flowing home where not everyone has to be in the exact same spot at the same time, and this layout just is completely working for that.
We also did manage to salvage the original staircase. We had to replace some of the spindles.
Almost all of the spindles.
Almost all the spindles. But it's that same curve and it's the same drama.
Oh, definitely. I love that.
And then I just went super girly and glam with the lights.
Yeah.
Because why not?
This looks so good. I love it.
Well, you want to go
towards the dining room.
So this is actually really fun because the wall that was right here, there were pocket doors that someone had shoved into the walls and
closed into the wall.
Closed them in. But we made a dining room table out of them.
Yeah.
Oh, no kidding. Oh my goodness.
So this is your dining room table.
That's so creative.
This is the area that was kitchen-esque.
It's terrible.
But no longer kitchen-esque. Dining room and kitchen is at the back.
Oh, wow.
This space, we would go through a hole in a wall. We were able to put the kitchen into this place and have a nice side door added so you get lots of natural light.
Absolutely.
We decided to do white uppers on this side of the kitchen because the pop of white draws your eye to this back wall and really pulls you into the space.
The backsplash is real. I love that. I love just the tone of it. Okay, this is fantastic.
I wanted to mix and match the countertops, and Mom suggested butcher block. it worked out well.
Absolutely, yeah.
I think it warms it up.
Yeah.
We've got a first floor master, so let me take you back there.
Yeah, let's take a look. This is perfect.
Yeah?
Yep. I just love the way that this is roomy and cozy.
Yeah.
So when we started digging into the demo back here, we discovered these beautiful vaulted ceilings that we were able to keep, which was huge because it makes all the world of difference, them vaulting up like that.
Yep.
All right, well, we've got upstairs to check out.
Awesome.
And then a whole nother third floor.
Nice, let's check it
A
out.
whole nother third floor?
A whole nother floor.
A whole nother floor. Okay.
So we were able to keep the original staircase, like Mom said. This was all a wall. You kind of walked up into a wall, so we opened the whole thing up.
Oh, wow.
We were able to give you like a second little living area, loft space, chill space.
Yeah. I think the way that this space specifically is laid out, to entertain, to chat with your friends.
There's a really good amount of public space compared to bedrooms.
Yes, and that is what I'm in the market for, and this is really hitting the nail on the head for that.
Perfect. All right, so we have the loft, and then the back section of this was 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, but in a really, really weird configuration. So hopefully they make a little more sense now.
So this is one of the 2 bedrooms on the second floor.
This is great. This is the perfect size for a second bedroom.
Yeah.
It's good. Really I like this a lot.
Awesome. Well, let's take a look at the third floor.
Oh my goodness, this is.
How funny you look right now,
I think this is my favorite part of the whole house. This is wonderful.
So we've got this huge area up here now that we were able to finish out. Bonus space, game room, bar area, kind of whatever you want to do.
The
ceilings up here are incredible.
Huge. I don't think I really have the words. This is beyond what I would have imagined when we were coming up here. Was not expecting this.
Perfect.
I like when we can happy surprise someone. That's nice.
The second I stepped in, just how amazingly functional the space was while remaining comfortable and cozy. It's a great space for entertaining. I really liked it a lot. I've loved this. The way that this is laid out, this was thoughtful, this was put together well. This just really caters to a lot of lifestyles, including my own.
Tackling a house this huge in a different neighborhood than we're used to is a bit of a gamble, but hopefully we're able to come out of it with at least a little bit of a profit. We bought the house for $20,000 and we originally wanted to spend about $215,000 on the renovation. But things like permitting issues and the front wall of the house literally coming detached drove our construction costs closer to about $220,000. So we're all in around $240,000. Mandy loved the house, but decided she wasn't ready to buy just yet. So we'll need to list it at $275,000 so we can make at least $25,000 profit after closing costs. We'll start there and try to figure out what price we can get and can't get in this area. Either way, a gorgeously renovated house on this street is hopefully the start of good things to come for the neighborhood.
We checked off all the boxes.